Hello everyone, welcome to Statisticians Hub, and today we are going to learn how to make word cloud using Python. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So before going to learn how to make word cloud in Python, we have to know what is word cloud. So basically a word cloud is nothing but a virtual representation of text where the words are displayed with font size or color based on their frequencies in the original content. It serves as a quick and intuitive way to highlight the most common terms, themes or patterns within a given body of text. So these are the basic examples of word cloud that I have downloaded from Google. Okay, you can see the larger the font size of a particular word means it is used most frequently or most common terms in the given text. So basically there are two types of word cloud, speech based and text based. Speech based means a code will recognize the speech and convert into a text and then make the word cloud based on the text. And another is text based. So a text based is nothing, just you have a demo file or doc file. From this doc file the cloud will be created. So in this video we are going to learn the text based, how to create a word cloud on text based. Okay, so we have to import the necessary files. Word cloud, we have importing word cloud. Then matplot library, from pillow we are importing the image library, from importing numpy, and from docs we are using document. This is the important library for text based. Okay, now here you can see demo.docs is my file where the texts are written, and I am calling the demo file and stored it in a variable doc. In the text equal to double quotation dot join paragraphs, it means the basically I have my various paragraphs in my doc file, so it will just combine all the paragraphs and make it a single paragraph. So that's why I am using this function. Now I am using the word cloud library. So I'm making a variable word cloud and storing it in the word cloud variable. So this is the function word cloud where the width of the word cloud is 4000, height is 2000, and using a background white. Then maximum words 500, you can give it anything, the 500, 1000 based on your text file, right? Then the maximum font size is 150 and random state is 42, and dot generate text. Now let's see how to display the cloud. So for displaying the cloud, I am using the matplot library. So plt.figure, then plt.imshow word cloud, interpolation is equals to bilinear. Then I am axis off, that means I don't want to see the show the axis, and then plt.show. Now if you are thinking that how to make the word cloud in various shapes, for this we have to add two lines of code in the code. So a variable shape mask, where I am storing the variable as numpy array using the numpy array, image.open, this is the shape file. Okay, and in the word cloud function I am just adding another line, mask is equals to shape mask. If you add these two lines, then your text will create a cloud in any kind of shape as per your requirement. Now similarly we can show the cloud from using the matplot library. Okay, so today I am using the Visual Studio because this type of functions, plotting and this type of things, basic things, we can do use Visual Studio also. So that's why I am using today the Visual Studio. If you don't have the Visual Studio, then you can download it from here. I will give the website link in the description also. So if you have Windows, then download this one. Mac, for Mac users this one, and Ubuntu users this one. Linux, Ubuntu this one. Okay, so this is the demo file that I am using to make the word cloud. So basically the demo file is speech from our National Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So I am taking it as my demo text. You can take anything, and these are the shapes that I am going to use it to make the word cloud. Now let's move to the Visual Studio. So this is the imports, the document file that I am importing, word cloud library, that I have described just now, everything I have described just now. So this is the code, and now let's run the code. So here you can see the word cloud is created, but it don't have doesn't have any shape. Okay, and you can see the larger the font size means the words are used most frequently in the given text. Now let's see by using a particular shape. So here you can see everything is same, just the I'm using the shape mask here and here also. Okay, so and also I'm using a circle image. Let's run the code, and you can see a circular shape mask is appeared here. Okay, and let's see with another figures also. If I have also another file India. Okay, now let's see the map of India. How does it look like? India dot JPEG. Now let's run the code and see how does it look like. So here you can see a word cloud with a map of India. So yeah, this is the thing that how you can create a shape mask using Python. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, then like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.